Welcome to ProKitchen University, an online video tutorial series, version 11. This video is part of the Mac Native Interface series for Mac users only. This video is an instructional overview of the time-saving tool called Solutions. As a designer, you may find yourself drafting the same configuration of cabinetry and other items multiple times across varying designs, costing precious time in the creation process. ProKitchen software has provided a tool that will allow you to save and place those configurations quickly and easily into future designs. This tool is called Solutions. Before a solution may be created, it must first be drafted. Once a configuration has been completed, you may now create a solution to use in the future. To save the configuration as a solution, you must first select all the components by placing the mouse outside the configuration in either the plan or the elevation view. Then left-click and hold the mouse and drag it out and across all the required objects, creating a lasso which will select all items located here. Then release the mouse. If done correctly, now all the items should be outlined in red and can now be manipulated as a group. Hover the mouse anywhere over the selected components and right-click to access the right-click menu. You will see a new option here labeled Selection. Hover down to open the right-click tools for this group. Here, you will see all the actions you may take with the selected configuration. The option we will focus on is Save to Solution. When left-clicking to select, a dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, left-click in any of the fields to activate, and type the necessary information. The first field, SKU, will be the nomenclature that will display for this group of items, both in the Solutions catalog and on plan. In the description field, you may add a more in-depth description of the configuration. For instance, this laundry is built in the ProKitchen catalog, so I will type ProKitchen here. Note: the solutions saved will be specific to the catalog used when drafting. However, all the global specifications will reset to default within the Solutions catalog. The catalog list in the dialog box will provide information about the catalogs used within this configuration and may not be manipulated except by switching the catalogs of the items in the group first. In the Notes field, type any pertinent notes pertaining to this configuration. Once you have completed entering the desired information, left-click OK to apply and save. Now this configuration is ready for me to drop into any design in which I need the same or similar configuration. The configuration is also now outlined in magenta and will be manipulated as a group. It is important to note, when saving a solution, that it will save all components that were selected when lassoing the configuration, including moldings, countertops, appliances, lighting or plumbing fixtures, etc. So it may be best to draft only the cabinet and room element components prior to saving, which will remove the need to make too many adjustments when utilizing this in future designs. Now that we have a saved solution to work with, let's head to a new design that will require a configuration we have previously saved. After the walls have been built, it is time to drop in the configuration. You may access your saved solutions in one of two places. The first of which is the Solutions icon found on the left toolbar. Selecting this icon will launch the Place dialog box, opened directly to the My Solutions catalog. Select Categories to open the contents below. Make your selection, then click Place. The solution will become attached to the cursor. Move the item into position, then click once to drop and a second time to secure. When the dialog box reappears, click Cancel to dismiss. You may also access the saved solution by utilizing the Catalog panel. Click the Catalog drop-down menu and scroll to the bottom of the catalogs listed in black and select My Solutions. From here, you may drag and drop onto the design grid. Saved solutions will have a right-click menu available inside the catalog, which may be accessed in either the catalog panel or in the Solutions Catalog dialog box. To access this option, left-click the item to highlight it in blue. Then right-click on the option to open a menu. The first option here is Info, and when selecting this option, the dialog box in which the group was created will appear. Here, you may view and edit the information for this group of items. The second option is Show Description, which by default is turned on and will provide the description as created in addition to the SKU. When this option is deselected, it will remove the checkmark and only the SKU will appear in the catalog. The third and final option is Delete, which will delete the created solution from the My Solutions catalog when selected. Note: deleting the solution is permanent and may not be undone. If a solution is deleted, it will need to be created and saved once again. All placed solutions will have their own right-click toolbox and will be labeled in the right-click menu as the SKU assigned by you. In this toolbox, you may move, rotate, drag, copy, or delete the group as you would with any other placed item. If you need to alter the configuration for any reason, or need to relocate one or more of the items contained within the group, you will need to select Ungroup. This will ungroup the items, making them maneuverable as individual items, so that you may switch out or move products without affecting the other items. You may also save to solution again, which will launch the Save Solution dialog box, where you may enter a different SKU, description, or notes as needed. The Rename option, when selected, will launch a smaller dialog box in which you may create a new SKU for the configuration. Left-click the field, delete the current text, and type the new group name. Then left-click OK to save. This action will only change the SKU for the solution placed within this particular design, and will not affect the group as named within the Solutions catalog. The last option, Change Color, will allow you to create a multi-style or multicolor design. For more in-depth information in utilizing this option, please visit the Multicolor Design video tutorial. The final option we will explore is how to export and import saved solutions or GRP files. This may come in handy if you are using ProKitchen Standard and do not have access to cloud storage, or if you want to share a solution with other designers or assistants within your network. To export a solution or a GRP file, we will need to access the Save to File right-click tool. This will launch a dialog box containing all your computer files. The first time you select the Save to File option, you will want to create a folder specific to GRP files. Once the file has been created, you may alter the GRP file name if you wish. Then click Save. Now, this file may be sent to yourself or to another designer via email or AirDrop. To import the saved solutions that have been sent to you or that you have sent to yourself on another device, navigate to and select the File Category tab at the top of the ProKitchen window. Hover down to Import, then select ProKitchenSolutions.grp. This will launch the dialog box containing all your computer files. Locate and select the desired GRP file, then click Open. The imported solution will automatically attach to your cursor for placement. Move it into location, then double left-click to place and secure. Note: the import action will not automatically save the imported solution to the My Solutions catalog, so you will need to utilize the Save to Solution option if you wish to add this to the My Solutions catalog. ProKitchen Solutions tool provides you the ability to store and access your most frequently built configurations and saves you precious time along the design process. Thank you for visiting ProKitchen University. Be sure to visit us at prokitchensoftware.com.